Toronto is in for a weather roller coaster this weekend, setting the stage for what could be a picturesque white Christmas. According to Environment Canada and Global News chief meteorologist Anthony Fearne, the city will enjoy bright but frigid conditions on Saturday and Sunday, with temperatures plunging into the negatives and a likelihood of snow leading into Christmas week. Saturday promises clear skies with temperatures around 8 degrees Celsius, but the biting north winds, reaching speeds of up to 30 kilometers, will make it feel significantly colder, with wind chills as low as 20 degrees Celsius in the morning. As the Arctic high-pressure system settles over Toronto, temperatures are expected to drop even further on Saturday night to around 16 degrees Celsius, marking the coldest night in over a year. This stark chill is a sharp reminder that winter has officially arrived. Looking ahead, the odds of a white Christmas are steadily increasing. While a full-on snowstorm isn't guaranteed, Toronto is expected to experience light snow on Monday due to a fast-moving weather system known as a clipper. This will likely deposit a few centimeters of snow, enough to dust the city in white, even if some of it melts before Christmas morning. Elsewhere in Ontario, conditions are just as frosty. Central and eastern parts of the province are bracing for temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius, with wind chills reaching a bone-chilling 28 degrees Celsius in some areas. Meanwhile, southwest Ontario could see significant lake-effect snow, with accumulations nearing 30 centimeters between London and Sarnia. For Christmas Day, southern Ontario can expect milder conditions, with temperatures just above freezing and partly cloudy skies. Though this brief warm-up may tease a thaw, the early arrival of snow hints at a classic winter holiday for Toronto residents. So bundle up, enjoy the sunshine this weekend, and prepare for a festive dusting of snow to make this year's Christmas a memorable one. Stay subscribed for more videos.